All right, guys. So we're going to go to three problems here today. Okay. We're going to do this one here. So this one would be 7 and distribute to multiply by 7. Okay. And we're going to distribute the multiply by 7 to 4. Okay. So our distributive form would be 7x minus 28. Okay. So that would be our distributive form. We distribute the 7 to the 4 to the x, and then the minus 4, and we wind up with 7x minus 28. Okay, so over here, we're going to multiply this by 2x, and then we're going to put the subtract sign down, and we're going to multiply 8x. We're going to distribute the 8 times to the 5y. Okay. And so we're going to get 16x. 8 times 2 is 16. Okay, now 8 times 5 is 40. Okay. Y. Okay. Now notice says this is your distributed form. Okay. Now over here, this is a little trickier. So we're going to get a. We're going to multiply. We're using a variable as our factor on the outside. So we're going to get a times a. Okay. Minus 1. Whoops. Hold on. We'll do a times 1. Okay? So this is going to come out to be a squared, and then a times 1 is a. Okay? Now, when you put your answers over on your daily classwork, like 7x minus 28, do not put spaces in. Okay? So, hold on one second here. So when you put your answer in, don't put spaces. Just do 7x minus 8. Okay? So no need to put any spaces in. If you do and you don't follow directions, it'll be wrong. Sorry, guys. That's the way it is. Gotta learn to follow directions. Number one problem with sixth graders appears all the teachers say you don't follow directions. Okay? So we're gonna fix that. So you guys do better at following directions.